So this is what I ordered, baby back ribs. This is combo actually. German sausage, strip of chicken, and look at my scenery. And this guy, of course, he wanted a pasta. Gusto niya yung pasta Alfredo with chicken and Cajun shrimp. And extra sauce kasi gusto niya talagang maraming sauce. And this one is a Mexican rice. Kailangan meron tayong rice, no? Kahit konti lang siya. So, ang sarap ng baby back ribs dito. At pork to siya, hindi beef. Pero ako ay prefer beef na back ribs kasi nga, mas masarap siya. And this is Chili's restaurant. We had our lunch and we enjoy it. It's not that crowded, good scenery, and the food is good as well.